Hi guys, here doing I think it's Meadowside Selwood climbing frame. A few bits and pieces here. They've basically, this poor customer, they've had this other set which is also a Selwood set, I believe. And you can see the wood. I've only had this a few years. That's the support underneath the floor, that's the floor, that's my finger. There's less than a finger for the floor, maybe a fat finger for the support. The bolts have gone in, the wood has gone in, and look at the quality. There you go. That's what you get from Selwood products. Climbing Frames UK, Solar Wave are the manufacturers that send this in. Look at the bottom full. So this customer, I don't know why, but they basically, the devil you know I guess, has decided to trash that climbing frame, which they thought was the small one, but then they've thought that this one's because it's on a sale or something, so they bought this. So the wood there is absolutely rotten to shreds, like everything that's actually been in touch with water. Anyway, they've trashed that, called me up. I didn't actually realise they'd just taken that one down. Said, can you build this one? Which, looking at the footprint, I'm a little bit to the side, and there's the other one there. So they've got exactly the same size climbing frame, thinking that they were buying a bargain, thinking that it was on a pre-summer discount or something of that nature. And they basically bought almost the same product for, well, I think it was more money, but they thought it was even more. I don't quite understand what's going on. Anyway, we're back on Selwood. Tried explaining to them that we could do a custom one, or there's other manufacturers out there. Their garden's flat and level. They could have bought all sorts of different frames. So here we are. Climbing frame, there's your wall, stop your kid from falling out of. And it's just a tarpaulin. A little thin piece of vinyl. Same for the roof, once that goes on. It wraps around, goes up and over. Here's your vinyl down here. I really don't understand why people buy the same product. They've just bought this. Look at it. It astonishes me. If you buy something and it breaks because it's not very good, why do it again? Anyway, it's astonishing. Even the pegs. They give you wooden pegs to hammer into the floor. Well, what happens to wood when it gets wet, guys? Because, I mean, I know metal rusts, but that takes significantly longer than wood to, I assume, rot. And if you've got a rotten peg and the peg starts rotting, then you have issues. We've already come across, as you can see on our Instagram, and I'll try and find a photo maybe to put onto this video, these wooden dowels. One does not believe them to be pressure treated. Well, the wood isn't pressure treated. This orange colour is just painted on, hence why that one's gone a funny colour. So this orange, in a couple of months when it starts raining, will start washing out, and orange no more. So what you get is this swing will go up in a minute, and the rain hits the wooden dowel. The rain drains down the wooden dowel and goes into the end. So what happens is all the water, where I'm putting this, sits in this little hole and rots the wood. And that's what happened with the kid the other day, going along the monkey bars. The monkey bar snaps. Kid falls down. The other question with this one is the monkey bar joins to a tower. My arm is literally touching the, well, nearly, okay, I'll touch the top with the top of the arm, and my elbow is not quite the bottom. That's how small this hole is. But anyway, it goes to a fence. So you monkey bar along something that rots, with wood that rots, with stakes that rot, and then once you're monkey barring across at near on damn it 2 meters high, you get to this tower, there's no steps down. Explain? Does anyone know what's going on here? Very confused.